If you know French people, you know we love to talk about politics.
And you know they'll talk about it all night long. My name's Mikayla.
And I'm Sarah. We are French teachers based in Lyon, and today we're going to give you some ways to join the debate.
First, we're going to start by talking about some tricky vocabulary for English learners that have to do with politics or with debate. Then we're going to continue on and talk about different ways to agree and disagree with somebody's opinion. And finally, we're going to give you some sentences and phrases to get out of the conversation if you really don't want to be in it.
We recommend this video for A2, B1 level learners, and we have captions in French and in English. If you need them, turn them on. Commençons avec le vocabulaire. On sait que c'est très important pour les apprenants.
We've noticed that with our students, they've tended to make certain mistakes with the following things, and so we want to make sure that you guys aren't also making these mistakes.
On va commencer avec la différence entre la politique et les politiques.
La politique, c'est le sujet, c'est la catégorie, tandis que les politiques, ce sont les personnes qui font la politique. Donc, la politique, on peut dire politics, et les politiques, politicians. The three following words we're about to talk about can all be used to talk about opinion or point of view.
Mais attention à ne pas confondre les genres de ces mots. On va dire un avis au masculin, un point de vue au masculin, mais on va dire
une opinion
au féminin. Pour finir, voici une phrase dont vous allez avoir besoin tout le temps. Si vous souhaitez dire que vous êtes d'accord avec quelqu'un ou pas, vous allez dire « Je suis d'accord ».
That means I agree. Now it sounds kind of weird because we're saying je suis d'accord. So I am of agreement if we translate it literally, but this is the way in French that we say I agree. We can even say je suis d'accord avec toi. I agree with you.
Nous allons maintenant vous donner des exemples de phrases pour exprimer si vous êtes d'accord ou pas d'accord. Mikayla, est-ce que tu es d'accord avec cet argument?
Tout à fait. Je suis complètement d'accord. Je ne l'aurais pas mieux dit. Je suis de ton avis. Sarah, tu as les mêmes points de vue?
Absolument pas. Je ne suis vraiment pas d'accord. Je ne partage pas du tout cette opinion. Je pense qu'il ne faut pas exagérer.
So, now we know that French people love to talk politics. They will debate all day long, all night long too, and they actually don't generally get angry with each other for it.
We might sometimes sulk a little bit.
Just a little bit. That said, if you are in a conversation and you want to get out of it, or if you're in a debate and you want to get out of that for whatever reason, maybe you are feeling uncomfortable, or you don't have anything to say, or
you had enough,
or you know you're not going to agree, here are some ways to get out of that conversation by changing the subject or just by explaining that you're not in agreement. So what could we say, Sarah?
Ça fait 1 heure qu'on s'engueule. Viens, on parle d'autre chose.
It's a good one, but can we say it a little more politely?
Je pense qu'on ne va pas arriver à être d'accord. On parle d'autre chose.
That's a good one. And what if we wanted to change the subject?
Et sinon, tu fais quoi ce week-end?
Or, the last one. Je vais chercher à boire. Je te ramène quelque chose.
Avec plaisir. Et vous, est-ce que vous aimez parler de politique ou pas du tout? Dites-nous en commentaire.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also know you can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and very soon we'll be on Twitch.
If you are curious to learn more about French apéro, we have a video just here.
See you soon et à bientôt.
Bye bye.
Sarah.